I've never branded anything before. So let's figure this out. Well, I don't know if I'm ever gonna sell my stuff. I have no clue. But I don't want my stuff competing against stuff made in other countries that have virtual slave labor. So what I decided to do was to mark my items, and so people know where they came from. So I've never done it before, so today's going to be my very first attempt. I'm trying to think if I should practice or not, or if I should just put it right. I better practice. So what I did is I went online to a company called Gearhart, and not a sponsor, paid for it with my own money, and had them make me a brand. Super easy process. I made up a thing, I sent it to them, they said it's good, and they sent me this thing. Of course, I didn't fill out the paperwork right, or I didn't do something right. It came in square. Well, I needed it round. So I took it apart. Well, first thing I did is I sent them an email and said, hey, this thing's hard to take apart. And they said, yeah, it's not supposed to come apart. If you take it apart, you're gonna void your warranty. I don't care about that. Anyway, because I mean, it's a solid hunk of brass. So anyway, quality's good. It looks really good. Anyway, I got it apart. I took it over to the bandsaw. I made it round. So anyway, today, it's gonna be my first attempt at branding. I gotta find myself a piece of scrap metal that I could, or scrap wood that I could brand. And then once I get that done, we'll brand ourselves a bowl. Okay? Let's go. Okay, I pulled the instructions out, read them, and I'm using MAP gas on brass, so that's about 5 minutes, and I got myself a 2x4 to practice on. So I'm going to fire this up. I'm going to heat it up for 5 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. There you go. That's about 5 minutes. So let's see how it works. And there you go. So, knowing that things expand, this hole here is going to be really tight, but let's see if it still fits. Well, not my best effort. I got it crooked. Unfortunately, this isn't something that you could re-stamp. So, anyway, this one will remain in my collection. But that's my my first attempt at branding, and oh well. Next time will be better. Oh, that's good. That one came out nice. Maybe I had it too hot. There you go. Getting better. Is it perfect? Nope, but you know what? It's a start. We made good progress with it. Now we know to wait till you get like one that's really close and then go for the brand. Also, You gotta make your hole a little bigger too. See how it cooked all that inside there? But it's all about learning. Thanks for watching.